cute lips, earring and a tongue, and she know what it do, Make a name for herself, and she do her shit well, and know how to keep it.
We're laughing at you. You ugly bitch! Well, why is your video so long? Why is it so long? It's long, it's like the Super Bowl. It's long. I took another one. Your videos give me Tammy's base. Ground beef, baby, no bun. No motherfucking bun.
You like to talk about your pump, your boob, your pump. Like, no. It don't work for you, honey. You need to get it up and get, like, high-class bitch like me. You never been a queen.
No, not even a princess.
Boo-boo. No. You came out 1964.
1963 and a half, something like that. You old bitch, and you not doing it. Who the fuck is you the queen of the junky-ass bitches? You ain't the queen of the hookers on 9th Street, baby. Not at all. That's my motherfucking domain, bro. No. Bitch, we will get you banked. Okay? Okay, bitch. Don't fucking sell it.
No. Okay, yeah, I got your sister right here. I got your sister. Your sister's right here in that motherfucker.
On your ass. With my bitches. Yeah, honey, yeah.
I was looking for my motherfucking winter scarf, bitch. You had it wrapped around your neck the whole time.
How was your real nipples under your fucking breast that you claimed that you had? You had your bra right here, your nipples was up here. Bitch, you got a check. You got a check. I seen you here. I seen the fur. You can't come for me, baby. I am the queen. I am legend. Motherfucking I'm sweating.
And the motherfucking tea is, bitch, you took my drapes and you took my motherfucking church belt and made a motherfucking skirt out that shit, bitch. Tableclothed it up, ho. Let it go. Go in on him, Lita.
That's what she should have been doing in her video.
This bitch
was kind of dry. Put some deodorant on your lips, bitch.
And oh my god.
Get me off the set, please. Get me off the set. I need to go. I gotta go. I think I shit on you again.
Digging a motherfucking paper bag.
They want to get mad because I won't put them on a fucking single name. Come on.
I'm sorry, sister, but I just had to do it. I had to let these bitches know that you are...
Bumblebee is what you are. Where's your wings? Where's your wings?
Oh my god. When I seen your videos, I thought it was Planet of the fucking Apes, bitch, part 3.
I fucking moth.
Fucking... Bitch, I didn't know I was in a zoo. I was in the zoo the whole time, bitch. When they let you out your cage? Fucking pelican looking ass bitch. I did not know, sister. I'm sorry, but I gotta fucking do it.
Shamika, Keisha, Tara, Shonda, Sabrina, Chris.
High-class bitch like me. You never been a queen.
Oh, this baby, no bun. No motherfucking bun.
Monique, Christina, Yolanda.
Fucking pelican looking ass bitch.